Hi all Rubik's Cube lovers, welcome to part 5 of the 7 series video. In the previous videos, we have completed the white cross, white edges, its adjoining top and middle layer and the yellow cross on the flip side of the cube. If you hadn't watched those videos, please watch them in our YouTube channel, Light the Way. In this video, we are going to see on how to easily solve the edge points adjoining the yellow cross. So these points, I will refer to them as the central top edge points. So as you can refer this sheet of paper, this is the center layer and this is the top layer. So I just for reference I have called them as center top midpoints. And also you can take a screenshot of this paper so that it may be useful for your reference. So in our previous videos we had solved the white cross first and then the white edges, followed with the two layers adjoining the white cross, and then we had flipped the cube and then we had completed the yellow cross. Please refer our previous YouTube videos for the solution. And once we had completed the yellow cross, now our next aim is to finish these center top midpoints adjoining the yellow cross. So this is one and this is one, this is one and this is one. So our objective in this video is to show you on how to appropriately place these edge points correctly. So as you can see, now we have completed the yellow cross here and the blue and yellow here is placed correctly. The orange is placed, the orange edge point is appropriately placed since it matches with the orange midpoint. But when it comes to this green side, you can see that yellow has a red side adjacent to it, whereas it's green here. So this does not match, and also this yellow does not match, the green does not match with the red here. So the appropriate colors here would have been yellow here and red here, whereas for this it's yellow here and green here. So how to do this? It's pretty simple. We just have to follow 7 steps. So I've written the steps here. You can take a screenshot of that. And now let's start. First, I'll show you how to place the cube to solve this. You should have the yellow cross on the facing the upper side. So the yellow cross should be facing up, and as you can see we have 2 midpoints that are completed. So since we have 2 completed, we have to place the cube in such a way that the inappropriately placed edge points should be placed in such a way that one of them faces us. So one of them should face me and the other unsolved or inappropriately placed edge point should be facing the right side. So one should be facing us and the other should be facing the right side. So now I've kept the yellow cross facing up and one of the inappropriately placed edge points is facing me and the other is facing the right side. So yes, now we have placed the cube correctly and we are good to go. Now follow these 7 steps. First, right side up, and top layer, you have to rotate it twice like this, and now the right side down, and now the left side, I mean the top layer should be rotated left once, and now the right side up. Now rotate the left side, rotate the top layer left one more time, and now bring the right side down. As you can see, we have so now the algorithm is over, and once you rotate it left or right, you can see that we have successfully placed the midpoints appropriately. So now we have completed the yellow cross along with the edge points, the adjacent, top, center edge points correctly. So I'll just show you the algorithm one more time. Left, the right up. So now we have successfully completed the adjacent edge points. It might also happen sometimes that, so if we had referred our video, we had two edge points that were appropriately placed and two that were inappropriately placed. It might also happen sometimes that you don't have any appropriately placed edge points. So let me just show you that. So in this situation, you can see here that we have only one appropriately placed edge points, whereas three of them are inappropriately placed. In such situation, what to do? So here you can see green, this orange and red here is placed inappropriately, but once you just try shifting this top layer, now you can see that now the green matches here and the orange matches here. So this is one situation wherein you just have to try to make the appropriate placement just by rotating the top layer alone. In case if that does not happen, what to do? Just simply follow these 7-step algorithm in such a way that you can have any side and complete this step. So with this, we have successfully completed the top center edge point, which is now appropriately matching with the yellow midpoint as well as the appropriate sides midpoint color. So I hope that you have found this video very useful, and see you with the next part on the 7 series of how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching the video. Also, a kind request to our viewers to please subscribe our channel by pressing the bell icon, share your valuable comments, and like our video if you really found it interesting. Thank you.